In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Drive for team collaboration. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it. Go to your Google Drive account, then start a new folder by clicking on the plus icon on the left, and you can add a title to your new folder. Once you have created your folder, go ahead and click on the name of your folder, then click on share and start adding your team's emails. Now click on the permission levels. Remember that viewer is only allowed to see your files. A commenter will be able to add their comments, and then an editor is going to be able to have full access to your files. Now you can just start adding all your files to your folder by clicking on the plus icon, and you can start uploading every single file that you want to share with your team. Remember that you can leave comments to your team members by opening up a file and clicking on the comment button that's going to be located right here at the top. Now you can add a comment, you can select whichever part of the document you want to comment on, and then you can go ahead and add a comment. And that's it. Hope that helps.